Hello, it's Mr. Smith, and today we're going to sing the song Oh Susanna, which is a favourite in the singing assembly at Beulah. It has three chords. The chords are D, G and A. D and G we learnt for the Ed Sheeran song Perfect, and A is new. So I'll show you A on the ukulele. It's the first finger on the first fret of the second string and the second finger on the second fret of the first string, the top string. So that's A. We did learn A minor for the Stand By Me, but the A has the two fingers, has first finger, first fret, second string, second finger, second fret, first string. And just to remind you of D, D is the first three fingers on the first three strings in the second fret, and G is first and third finger second fret on the second and fourth string, and the third finger and the third fret of the third string. So that's G. So we've got D, G and A. So you can play along on the ukulele. The song mentions a banjo, so I thought I would play it on a banjo. This is a 5-string banjo. You can get 4-string banjos as well, which are sometimes called banjo-leles, which is like a banjo and a ukulele. I'm going to play it on the banjo. It has a capo on, because I'm actually going to, so that means you can play different chord shapes and they make different chords. We'll talk a bit more about that another time. I'll show you the structure of the song. It starts on the D chord, and we play 6 measures of the D chord and then 2 of the A chord. And then the next line is 6 measures of the D chord and then 1 of the A and 1 of the D. So that's a little, quite a quick change, which might take a bit. So that's a verse. The chorus, actually that repeats, so that does that again twice. So 6 of the D, 2 of the A, 6 of the D, 1 of the A, 1 of the D. And that repeating is that verse. And then the chorus has a G for 4 measures, then D for 2 and A for 2, and then the next line is D for 6 and A for 2, and that's the chorus. You'll pick it up as we do the song. So I'm going to play it on the banjo, but you can play along on the ukulele or guitar or whatever for this using these chords.